Very good, everyone. Let's get into another video with a narrated trade where we show the trades we made, how we made them, how far we held the position, and why. And then we have the result, right? You get to see the outcome of our investment, the actual result it produced. Whether it was a profit or a loss, we keep everything very transparent here, and this was a trade we took advantage of during a downturn. Exactly. We noticed during the week of December 2nd that there was an opportunity to profit from a possible drop in Eversource Energy, and we took advantage of it. Not only did we take advantage of it, but we also notified our club members about it. We have an investors club here where we show them the best entry opportunities. And this was a great opportunity, and I want to show it to you all. First, I want to teach you, or actually, before that, I want to ask you to subscribe to our page and turn on notifications because we have videos and lessons like this every day on our channel, and you can learn a lot just by listening to these quick and straight to the point lessons. But now, let's get to it. I want to show you here that it is possible to profit from a stock going down. Yes, you basically identify that the stock is about to enter a downward trend, that sellers are offloading their shares at lower prices, and you take advantage of this movement in a legal way, fully regulated by oversight authorities, without any kind of irregularity. Everything is very well organized. So, basically, what we did in practice here was this. Hey guys, I have Eversource Energy to sell at $59.78. Who's interested in this? Who wants to buy this stock from me? I don't actually have the stock, but I went ahead and said I want to sell it. Someone is going to buy it from me. Millions of people are interested in buying this stock. On that very day, there were 11.45 million shares traded. So, there will be people who will buy this stock from me. And then I'll tell that person, look, I'm going to need a few weeks to deliver the stock to you. Is that okay? This is called a short sale, okay? Doing a short operation in the American market, that's what it's called. So, basically, this is normal. It's like if you had a cabinet store and you don't have the cabinet ready for immediate delivery, but you have a customer who wants to buy. You will take the customer's payment and say, look, in 40, 50, 60 days, I'll deliver this cabinet to you. Is that okay? And then, business goes on in the market just like in any other kind of trade. So here we did this transaction, $59.78, they bought from us. Each of these little candles here, see, represents 1 week. So, these are trades, folks, that you can easily fit into your routine because you'll only need to check this on weekends in a really relaxed way. Or if you're a part of our club, we'll show you, hey, sell here, look, you're already making this much percent, keep an eye on it. You just go on your phone's app and you can manage your orders. It's super simple. But if you're not part of our club, you'll just need to check it once a week, no stress, all right? So here, we sold, a week went by, and the stock dropped 0.43%, which would already be a profit. Remember, when it goes down, I make a profit because I sold it, I'll buy it back cheaper and deliver it to my client. In the second week, it dropped another 3%. In the fourth week, there was a positive fluctuation. In the fifth week, it stayed flat, and in the sixth week, it dropped again. And here we already have the necessary room for what we call a trailing stop adjustment. What is a trailing stop adjustment? It's when the stock keeps moving in our favor, we set a protective order, locking in part of that profit. So if it goes back, the order is triggered and I'm protected. I've already locked in how much I made from this drop. Then every week we keep moving this trailing stop here, candle by candle, okay? The big question, here, in the week of January 13th, it hit another new low. It dropped, folks, $4.20, 7.27%. What did I do? I took my trailing stop, which is nothing more than a line like this, connected to the broker, connected to the exchange, and when I move this line, the order automatically adjusts itself, and I set this line here when I had $3.20. So remember, it dropped $4.20. I left $1 in the market so that if it kept falling, I would still have room to protect even more. But $3.20 was already fine for me. That's what happened in the week of January 13th. It hit down there at 53. Buying pressure came in and triggered my protection order, my profit protection order. So basically, here we exited the trade with a profit of $3.20. And now I want to show you the financial side of this, guys. I made this sale here, okay, at 46. There was an adjustment here, all right? Here it shows 59, but if you look over here on the side, it's 57, okay? It's a dividend adjustment. But at the time of the trade, it was 59.78. So I took 416 shares here times 59.78. I invested exactly, guys, 416 times 59.78, $24,868.48. I invested this, it came out of my pocket, this right here, okay? However, on these 416 shares that I sold, I made a profit of $3.20 per share, and that gave me a profit of $1,331.20, guys, okay? $1,331.20. That's what this investment gave me, betting on the stock going down over 2, 4, 6.5 weeks, about a month and a half here, waiting for the market to move in favor of my investment. So here I made a profit of $1,331. Do you know what that represents? At the brokerage, we have $100,000. This gain represents 1.33% of my entire amount. In other words, I only invested $24,000, but out of everything I have at the brokerage, it gave me a profit of 1.33%. Basically, here it gave me a profit equivalent to about 3 to 4 months of fixed income in just 5.5 weeks. So basically, that's the power of waiting for the right moment to invest in a stock, whether it's going up or down, using just a small portion of your investment and getting a much fatter, much more solid return than what you get from investment funds or fixed income options that we have available. That's how we use the market. And if you like this kind of content, our club is available, or if you just want to keep watching our videos and learning, video after video, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, turn on notifications, and you'll get hundreds and hundreds of videos like this one. All right? God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.